Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have Walgreens, Family Dollar, Meijer. If you are in the Midwest, you're going to want to hang out till the very end because we got this amazing 10 off of 40 for P&G products, making everything dirt cheap. You're not going to want to miss that out if you're in the Midwest again. So we're just going to jog through some of the best midweek deals. The first store that we're at is Walgreens. Now, today, which is July the 8th, between noon and 2 p.m. Central, you can get 10 4x6 prints for free using the code HURRY10 once per card. Has to be today, which is the 8th, between that exact time window using that exact code. 10 prints per store card. When you go to pick up your prints at the store, make sure to punch in your phone number in case a paper booster might print for you. Deal is going on for the next many weeks according to the tags. I think it's like end of or like August sometime, but it is to grab some disposable razors. The promotion is to spend $15 to earn back a $5 register reward. Obviously, yes, you can mix and match whatever you want, but I'm just kind of giving you guys like a starting point if you wanted to get some foamies and some disposable razors, the best of both worlds. Make sure that everything that you're grabbing is in fact tagged, and this is the tag that you're looking for to spend $15 to earn back a $5 register reward. August the 29th, look, bottom right-hand corner. And it's a buy one, get one 50% off, so your math has to be spot on. So two of these Gillette disposable razors with the 5 off of 2 is $13.46, and then I threw in 2 foamies because I also have another 3 off of 2 coupon. That's $8 right there in that block. Your total is $19.46. Subtracting the 8, you're going to pay $11.46. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $6.46 for the 4 or $1.61 per item. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but if you need to stock up on these meat and potatoes items, I think this is not a bad little deal for 4 items. Very contentious Dove body wash, and I apologize about that blurry tag. My new phone, doesn't it take great photos? So that register reward was not printing, and then it was printing as of last night, which was Tuesday the 7th of July. Load this coupon, which is the 5 off of 2, and this is a very straightforward deal. I'm not going to suggest the FIFA anymore because I think most stores are cleared by now, but grabbing 2 of the Dove body wash at $8 each, make sure they're tagged in your store. That's $16. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $11. Get back an $8 register reward, and yes, it is printing. Ask the cashier too, like, hey, is that machine printing today? They will say yes or no. Getting back, so it makes it like $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per Dove. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I would definitely do this one. The Garnier Fructis for $4.49 with a $3 reward when you purchase 2. And we currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. This is the one that you're going to load. If you're going with whole blends, I think it's $1 more. And if you're going to do both the Fructis and whole blends, 2 separate transactions, as that register reward will only print for you once per transaction. Grabbing 2 of the cheap Fructises for $8.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $5.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per shampoo. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But if you wanted to stock up on some cheapy shampoo, Garnier is not a bad line, especially the Fructis line. And they have gels and stylers that I believe are part of this too. So if you wanted to get something a little different, by all means. We also have the Palmolive, and this is one of my favorite deals because I am a Palmolive household here. I don't really care for Dawn, but don't tell anyone. They're $2.99 with a $3 reward when you buy 2, so it's basically BOGO free. Plus, we have a 75-cent off of 1. So this is just a very straightforward deal. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $5.98. Subtracting your coupon, pay $5.23. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2.23 for the 2 or $1.15 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Another deal that's absolutely fantastic is the Colgate Sensitive for $5 with a $4 reward when you buy two. And we have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. So make sure that you load this friend because this is a really great deal. Grabbing 2 tubes of the Sensitive, it's exactly $10. And please make sure that you're getting the items that are tagged in store. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. On Monday the 6th and the 7th, which is yesterday, which is Tuesday, a lot of Walmart in that gluten-free, healthy freezer aisle. A lot of stuff, very, very cheaper. Everything was $2 in my region, including the Brazzi Bites, the cauliflower crust pizza, the Premier Protein pancakes, those almond flour tortillas. There's $1.25 from IBOTTA, so it made it 75 cents after the $2. In the app, it's going to show full price. In store, where you have to go, it's a completely different price. A lot of shoppers in Chicago, Lansing, where I live, everything's getting $2 or less, and considering that cauliflower pizza is usually $8 or $9 to pay $2, yeah, that was a really smart deal. I know a lot of you really enjoy doing cookouts, and this is really weird, but this is the market side brand, which is the Walmart brand. It's 5 links, which is a pound and 3 ounces, like 5 of them, for $2.97. The original price is $4.92. It's on a rollback. If you want to stock up and freeze these freeze beautifully. Some of the flavors I found were the original bratwurst. I mean, even in the morning with a couple eggs, you can go full on carnivore and have a very smug day like yours truly. The sweet Italian, I love chopping this up and frying it up for soups. Oh my gosh, it really adds something to soup. The fennel in that, ooh, it's delicious. And the cheddar bratwurst. So for $2.97, if you're moonwalking by Walmart, to check out that gluten-free aisle and this if you want to stock up. And also with IBOTTA, we have a free box of the Banza wheat penne protein pasta. You would pay the $3.18, photograph your receipt to IBOTTA to get that full amount back, making it a complete freebie. So why not? I love healthy food, especially gluten-free. My husband loves that. It digests well, and he likes it. He doesn't feel like sick. He just gets that tummy ache. So, I mean, it's just like deal after deal after deal for all this food. And if any of this food interests you, I would go sooner than later to Walmart. Over at Family Dollar, a lot of air care went 47 cents on Monday, the 6th of July. Also with that is a lot of the home line, which is the Family Dollar line. We have the sprays, the candles. You know, if you make a beautiful basket for like Christmas time for your neighbors and you just want to throw in a couple other odds and ends. Yeah, these aren't Christmas scents, but thought that counts. Throw in a Tide Pod and a bow. I mean, this would probably be my favorite gift ever. But definitely look up in the app Homeline Air Care and then see what populates in your area. Is this worth a trip to the store for you? Yes or no? That is the question if you want to stock up on these little bibs and bobs. And for 47 cents, we don't ever see these prices. I did make a short on Monday about this. It's the 5 counter. It's now gone down to a 4 counter of this size for 47 cents. Original price is like either $10 or $12. Check your app. Is this ringing up properly before you go to the store? And make sure you have the correct location. Loving the Family Dollar lately, like 47 cents for these. So you're going to find this either in the clearance aisle, the regular aisle, or on one of these side caps where they put some of that clearance stuff. This store does not do like Dollar General where it's like 50% off a couple times a year, pairing it with digital coupons. It is what it is. So basically there's a lot of this stuff left in the store because for $12 with a $5 coupon, who's paying $7 for this? Nobody. So I'm just going to show you some of the flavors that I found. This one is White Flowers Melon Summer Delight. And see the top right-hand corner, it says 5 refills. This one is lavender and chamomile. Seems absolutely delightful. And this is a 5 count. And the final one, I found like all florally one. This is vanilla and I think it's pink papaya. This one's been in the clearance section too at the Dollar General, so I'm no big surprise there. Just to help you guys out, I know you don't need it. Just search it in the app, probably faster. But here are the UPCs for those of you that want to scan them in. Those are for 2 of them. And I did stock up, but I didn't clear the stores because you can only have so many of these flower ones. But I was very happy with the haul. And I know many of you scored them as well. I'm going to head over to the Dollar General just for one quick deal for a free tube of toothpaste. In the dollar spot, there is this Crest 2.6 ounce, which is a goofy size. It's a little bit larger. We have a $1 digital coupon. You will pay tax on this, 1 per store card. A very easy deal, especially if you're like, I don't like the Dollar General. Try this one, and then we'll talk if you like the Dollar General after this. And who doesn't like free toothpaste? Store that we have is Meijer, which is in the Midwest only. There is no sister store to Meijer. It's not Kroger, guys. Apologies in advance if you're a big Kroger shopper. Meijer is Meijer. This morning in the app, we got this, which is a 10 off of 40. And load it. We have 2 weeks to use it, and we're definitely going to make a deal happen this morning. We're not messing around. Load the following digital coupons if you want to mirror this exact deal. We have a 5 off for a Tide, and then also the next coupons that you're going to load for this dealio is a 10 off a 2 for the Swiffer, and then a $2 off for the Febreze trash products. So just jogging through the list. The first item is 2 of these Swiffer mop wet pads. It's a 24 counter. And 2 of them you're going to add so that 10 off a 2 will get accrued in your basket. It has to be this exact one. There's another one but with lavender, but it's not attaching with the digital coupon. Alternatively, you can grab the dry pads that are attaching with the 10 off 40 and the 10 off a 2. You really have to pay attention. Use the shop and scan so your numbers are looking like my numbers. Okay, now we're also going to grab one of these Febreze trash can odor fighters. We have a $2 digital. Again, use the shop and scan so your numbers are looking like my numbers. Fun fact, I have yet to even buy or try this product, so I'm definitely going to grab one of those. And then for $12.99, we have that $5 digital. We're going to grab a 42 count of the Tide Pods. If you do not like the scents that I'm showing you, that's cool. I would recommend to just use that shop and scan. So if you wanted to get the Tide Downy or whatever, you can grab whatever you want. Just make sure the math is balancing. The final item to get all the math to balance is one of these Dawns for $1.09. Now, just to show you the overall basket, it is $42.45. And then with all the coupons and the 10 off 40, it's $14.05 before tax. Again, for the 100th time, use your shop and scan. And if you have some only for you coupons that are higher value, by all means, you can substitute and make sure that 10 off of 40 is attaching with your digital coupons, but go and make something happen. We will catch you guys in the next one. Good luck. Bye-bye.